Okay, I've got the first pour done all over everything. It's dry. I've masked a second time, so all these really orange spots are where I've masked. Again, I've also painted the people, and I just did traditional painting. I didn't go to any effort to do it, and I've masked out their faces because I've got most of the skin color in there. We'll see when I pull off the masking whether that skin color is going to stay the same or if I need to darken it or shadow it. Hopefully I won't have to. I'm going to get ready. I've already thickened up or intensified my red and my yellow. So I'll show you how I do the blue and make a little bit more blue. It's been a few days, so my tubes have closed up again. But like I said before, I just put it on my brush, and I'm putting out a fair amount. As you can see, it's quite a large amount because I want this blue to be more intense. And I haven't actually put any blue on this yet, but I want my blue to be more intense. Actually, I think I'm going to keep this blue this same intensity since I haven't put any on here before. And that way I can tell how much more intense I need to go. So I'll get ready and just pour. And I've shaken these up really good so I know that they're ready and there's nothing on the bottoms that's settled. And I'm just going to start wetting everything. I'll start out with blue and yellow because I really want my orange on the umbrellas to be even brighter, and especially on the chairs down here. So I'm going to come down and pour from this direction first because most of my yellow is down this way. And you see this time I actually poured rather than just using my pipette because this is, I don't have areas where I'm going to concentrate on, excuse me while I get out my gloves, where I'm doing a really small area. And I'm not afraid to have it go other places. Now I'll put some red in there. It's going to be a good orange. I'm going to let it pour off. That looks great. I want to keep this concentrated down here on these chairs and underneath the umbrellas and on the top of the umbrellas. And once this dries, then I will be ready for more masking. And I don't think I'm going to put any blue on this one either. I think I'm just going to keep it just like this. So that was quick. Quick and sweet and to the point. That's a great orange. Now if it'll dry like that, I'll be really happy. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. I'll just keep tilting it here. In my monitor it looks like it's more red, but in person this definitely looks like a bright orange. A really good bright orange. So I'm very happy. I'm going to spray off a little bit of this down here because I don't want that to be really orange down there. A little bit is fine. That softens up that bottom nicely. If you can see that without too much shine. I know there's a lot of glare on this because of my lights. It's a very rainy, cloudy, snowy, miserable day outside. Okay, that's it for now.